Hi guys, welcome to our channel, It's Malay Philippines. It's Tuesday, 9 p.m. We're here in Bukid Street and we're going to show to you what they experience or what they doing here in Bukid Street for Valentine's Day, and also happy Valentine's Day, and have a nice day always to all people right now. And also I will say to you, to all people or to our one subscriber, thank you always for your compliment, for my hairdo and dressing always. But it's not the point that I need to find another guy to have new hair and new dress, because we almost 8 years living together and I'm like this always. So I like only Leon, I love only Leon, and I always love Leon. Let's go.
So many people today. Shaira, wait. This is club, Eclipse. Eclipse. Eclipse Club, it's не SS Bar. Не соя бар. Today open already. Traffic, Shaira here. Okay, go. not need so far from me, okay? Because you want to far always. Why you walk with me? Maybe 1-2 meters, not far. So we're going to eat chicken fillet.
Yes. Yes, only simple celebration of Valentine's Day.
So many girl in red dress. Take a look, so many. Yes.
You can do for me like that.
No, can.
If you use your here,
What you use if you use? Nicholas said he want to close in the room. He stay in the room. He don't want go outside.
why?
I don't know because Valentine's Day so many girls asking him to meet.
Chicken, what is this? Chicken fry right now. Teddy bear.
Huh?
Big teddy bear.
But you have at the home.
Where teddy bear? You're my big teddy bear. So many people going to restaurant right now.
To
In
restaurant?
Yes. They go to Yisan Korean restaurant.
Isan.
Even kimchi I seen before. It's so many people, couples there.
Oh, it's good like pillow. Take a look, Shaira.
That's why I like big. But you're my teddy bear already.
Me?
Yes, I can hug you in real life.
Okay.
This one you cannot touch. What is this? You cannot hug it every night.
No, maybe she want to hug every night with pillow.
Hi, I saw your blog. I was always on your blog.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mr. Rayon.
Yes, thank you.
From Singapore.
Sort of some also from Singapore.
The day the person want to hit your camera, I saw. Very good.
Thank you very
No
much.
good. The man no good. No good man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I
But
always follow your video.
thank you, thank you. Who don't
First
like in
time I
my
see you. First time.
First time?
first time, really?
Yes.
Personal first time you seen here.
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Because I came here many times. First time I see you here walking straight. I know you're always Friday, Saturday.
Yes, and the holidays. Today, today Valentine's Day. That's why we want to
Happy
show.
Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, Mr.
Thank
Rayon.
you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you.
How you been here in Philippines?
Okay, good. I come and celebrate my Valentine's Day with my girlfriends.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Filipino. from
Filipina.
Samar.
Okay.
Yeah, from Samar. Yeah. And tomorrow is my birthday. Celebrate my birthday. here
Really,
also.
tomorrow birthday.
Yeah, after Valentine's
Happy
Day.
birthday.
Thank you,
In
sir.
advance, in
Thank
advance.
you, thank
Happy
you.
birthday, sir.
Thank you. See you
Oh,
around.
see you.
谢谢。
谢谢。
再见. Thank you. Mustafa already in Indonesia now. Yes, he Monday go to Indonesia, he said. No, he said he go to Indonesia Monday. That's why it's last day in Sunday. It's okay, he come back.
But us, last, we go here. It's not about the Valentine's. That's why you go outside with your girlfriends or not. Just only celebrate it. Like
Oh, take a look, so many people in Nissan restaurant. Really, so many people. Yes, we waiting.
that's why it's so many people right now.
In Kimchi restaurant, so many, and the Isan restaurant.
That's why if holiday, not easy to find some seat there or some reservation there because it's so many people. Because most of what is
But here have space for seat.
because most of Filipino they want to celebrate. They want to eat some Korean food.
Not Japanese, Korean foods only.
It's okay. It's different.
Same.
So what do you want to eat?
Same. Chicken fillet. And for you, I don't know.
Some chicken shawarma.
What is Georgi? Coconut shake? How much? Hi. Hi. Hi? It's okay. Wait, I take video. Coconut shake?
Coconut shake.
Okay, I will try also.
Hi guys, we're here in Walking Street right now, and
Wait. Better here because so noisy.
we go here. Okay. Again, okay? Start.
Let's start it already.
Okay. Hi guys, we're here in Walking Street, and we're just friendly already. Our friend from Germany. So please don't discriminate him because he just apologized already and we just friend already. So he said that he don't know what happened to him and that's why we just do some favor right now.
Very nice person. You are a very nice person. You very slim. You have a nice. You have a nice.
He said you good looking, Shaira.
Good look, right?
Okay.
Many sometimes, maybe sometimes or many times, I see you walking, and I'm looking, oh, who is this woman? And then after I see him, and I think, okay, that's the boyfriend.
Already know. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys, go to eat in the. Going to eat in the cheesecake. Shaira want cheesecake. Georgi, maybe you can. I want interview. Ask you because so many subscribers asking where Georgi, why he not give interview.
They missed you already.
Really, many subscribers miss you. And maybe
Who don't miss
you also miss him
so much?
so much. Okay, let's go. Shaira today have new heels. Just today I bought for her this one, and She said very good. She little bit tall now for 10 centimeters more.
Yes, we can't. We're looking for this way. But today we fuck for money. But tomorrow we can start a relationship, you know. Just send me message like this. Yeah. Still I'll send. Maybe I could. Understand? That's what I say. Experience, you know. Still like this.
Georgi, new club open. Eclipse name, you know? Eclipse.
You want to go there?
No, don't have people now. They don't know about this bar. Maybe Saturday, maybe many people.
10 o'clock open.
Only 10 o'clock open.
Yes.
Maybe next time. Because Shaira want to cheesecake, that's why first we go to eat cheesecake. What you doing in Valentine's Day? Clothes in your room?
Jogging with ladies.
So many girls now.
Yeah, sex I also. The sex in the morning. Guitar. Or similar.
No, many girls, Shaira, many girls now. In the red, so many girls in the red clothes in Valentine's Day. Maybe traditional in Valentine's Day use red dress. Take a look, in the red dress, so many, yes? time center. We're going to cafe again.